Next question. Find the slope of line joining the points. Second question. Sin theta minus cos theta and minus sin theta and cos theta. Question. Its solution is this one is x1, y1, x2, y2. Same formula. M equal to slope. M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y2 cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Next, y1. So cos theta minus cos theta minus cos theta. This is formula minus, then minus cos theta divided by y2 minus y1. So cos theta minus formula minus, then minus cos theta. Next, divided by x1, x2 minus x1, x2 minus sin theta minus formula minus sin theta equal to cos theta minus of minus plus cos theta by minus sin theta minus sin theta. Now 2 cos theta by minus 2 sin theta. This 2 cancel. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So sin minus cot theta. This is the answer.